Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. My name's Jonathan. I make luxury videos, unboxings, and reviews. And today's video, I buy the cheapest thing at Louis Vuitton. So let's get into it. So before I get started with today's video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I make videos every Friday on luxury content, men's style, anything Louis Vuitton. So if you like that kind of content, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And if you want to see the cheapest thing that I was able to purchase at Louis Vuitton, then keep on watching. So I've got to admit, I probably gave my sales associate a little bit of a run for her money kind of thing. It was really weird. I texted her one day and I was like, what is the cheapest thing that I can buy? And then she was gearing me towards SLG. She was gearing me towards other small items. And I was like, can it get cheaper? Can I get it cheaper? And she was probably looking at me like I'm crazy. She's probably like, it's $100, it's $200. Like, how much cheaper do you want? I'm like, what is the cheapest thing that I could possibly get from Louis Vuitton? And she was just like, this is weird, like you never asked me this kind of thing. And I'm just like, yeah, I know, I just want to know what is the cheapest thing that I could possibly get. And I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube where people buy these like pen refills or these sticky notes, but they're actually not available anymore, or not available in Canada at least. So that is not the cheapest thing that I actually was able to get. And then she came across this item and I was like, perfect, I want it. And funny enough, like I didn't want to just get anything that was the cheapest. I wanted to get the cheapest thing that I would actually use in my collection. And to be honest, I actually didn't know that this was the cheapest item until she told me. So yeah, I actually do collect a lot of these and I was actually quite happy that these were the cheapest. So yeah, getting into it, this is the receipt that it did come with. And so the cheapest item that I was actually able to purchase costs $36 plus tax. So after taxes, it's around $40-ish. And I was like, wow, you can actually go to Louis Vuitton and buy something that cheap for $40. And so if you want to purchase something and you want to be able to get the packaging and the experience, you don't necessarily have to spend hundreds or thousands of dollars. You're able to spend $40 Canadian and get the cheapest item. So she gave me the whole experience, I'm telling you. She gave me the bag. She even wrapped it up in this nice box. She put the Chinese New Year ribbon on it. She tied it with the bow. Like she went all out, and I'm sure you'll be able to still get the same experience. I know, like I purchase items from the same sales associate all the time, but honestly, I think if you were to just go into Louis Vuitton and still ask them for the cheapest item, they will treat you still the same way. So she wrapped it really cute for me in this huge box, and I actually do love these boxes because they are the magnetic ones. But yeah, getting into it. I actually did purchase two of these because, like I said, I do collect these and I didn't know it was the cheapest. So opening it up, this is the box that it came with. And then, oh wow, she actually gave me the tissue as well. She gave me the Chinese New Year tissue. I absolutely love this packaging. I think the Chinese New Year packaging is really, really cute. I'm really liking the gold and the red combination. It really just, it has that vibe, doesn't it? Okay, and it comes with a Louis Vuitton sticker. Let's see if I can open it up without ripping the tissue. Okay, perfect. So opening it up, the items that I did get were, I got the Sydney as well as the Singapore travel guides. So if you're new to my channel, I do collect a lot of these travel guides. I think they're great coffee table books or just great souvenirs when you travel to these kind of destinations. And if you haven't seen my Christmas gift idea for him and for her under $500, these are definitely on there. But I didn't know how much they retailed at the time. And so, yeah, these are actually the cheapest items that you can get at Louis Vuitton. And just getting the box and the ribbon and the experience is definitely worth it in my opinion. And these books are really, really great. And so she was able to give me these two. Sometimes you do get these as gifts. It depends on your sales associate, but I absolutely love these guys. They're great, like I said, for having as your coffee table books or just having it just in general to if you travel to these specific countries. But yeah, let me go grab one of my open ones because I don't want to open these yet just because I haven't traveled to these countries, so I don't have a need for them right now. But let me just go get one of my open ones to show you what's inside. Okay, so I grabbed my Paris city guide. Obviously, you have to get Paris because it's Louis Vuitton. So you do get this nice canvas cover as well as a nice canvas cover on the back. And it just has a nice photographic backdrop of the city that you purchased. And then opening it up on the inside, again, you just get another nice image and then another one. And then honestly, like inside, you just get a lot of information about the city. You get places that you want, that you can go to eat, places that you can travel to, destinations or tourist attractions that you can go to. There's just so many different things that you can do and look inside these books. And honestly, like, I just think they're a really great price for a Louis Vuitton item. And they're just really great in my opinion. And they give you like, there's like a page about the art of packaging. Oops. It does come with some stickers that you can use to mark the specific pages that you want to keep track of. And then here it does show you that you can purchase the e-version of these on the Apple iTunes store, or sorry, Apple store. And there's like a lot of different versions. There's 5, 10, 15. There's 20 different versions that you can get for these. I'm honestly trying to build my collection up slowly and get them all. But I highly, highly recommend. These really do feel really nice to hold in the hand. And it's just unique. How many people can say they have like a Louis Vuitton coffee table book? And for the price of $36, I really do think that they're worth it. They're really great. They're just really great collector's pieces in my opinion. I know the reason how I found these way back then is in Toronto we had a time capsule, and so it was like a pop-up shop and there was a lot of different Louis Vuitton merchandise, and they told me that these were going to be really limited edition and that it was only available for the pop-up. So when I went to the time capsule in Toronto, I saw a lot of these books. And then I just started purchasing a bunch of them just because I wanted to purchase for the places that I had already traveled to. And I didn't pay attention to the price at the time. And I wasn't sure if they were going to be available anymore. And then the stores are telling me now that whatever they have left is whatever they're going to get, because they are trying to go into a digital world. So they're not necessarily going to be making these anymore. So it's just a huge rush for me to actually finish my collection. I think I have about 7 or 8 of them now. I'd have to double check. But yeah, I definitely want to try to collect them all before they do get discontinued. And for $36, you get a Louis Vuitton item and you get the experience and the packaging like I mentioned before. So yeah, this was the cheapest item that I was actually able to purchase on the Louis Vuitton website. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. I'm so surprised that the city guides are still the cheapest thing at Louis Vuitton. It just goes to show that you don't have to spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars to get the luxury experience. There's so many items available on every boutique that are really affordable and very cheap and under the $100 price point. So definitely go check it out if you really want to get that luxury experience without spending the luxury money. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.